Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP and ZD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that GBP and ZD currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that GBPNZD is a long-term bullish market. With this monthly impulse, the price has created this move, followed by previous months we have seen a narrow doji. Now after this kind of strong movement, a doji followed by this months, we saw that so far downside movement. The price in fact tested the lower week of this monthly doji. If we see, the price has almost come 50%, and from this 50% of this long week, the price is rejecting, and we can expect GBP and ZD now to break to the upside as it is a long-term bullish market. The price tested this important level. Now we can expect the price to go ahead and test the upper week of this monthly doji. Now if we look at the weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly there was a doji previous week, and this week once the market open also we have seen significant drop so far, and it's a long-term bullish market. As you can see, every week the price was creating series of higher high and higher low. So as this week so far we have seen significant drop and broken this support level, has rejected, means we can expect now GBPNZD to go ahead and either forming another doji or at least to go and test this resistance zone before coming up another new weekly candle. Now if we look at the daily, we see that from the daily perspective, GBPNZD already had a strong drop, and you can see this is the daily impulse here with this movement from this narrow doji and created this consolidation pattern. And with that consolidation pattern, we saw that GBPNZD has broken this significant support level below this doji, has penetrated from this long week candle, and from that zone we saw the GBPNZD again rejected towards the downside. Now with that rejection, we see currently GBPNZD after pullback to this previous resistance turn support again created another move. Now this support that we have seen created this movement to the upside is also another important level of support, as this same level acted here as a resistance and turning here as a support, and also it is a support here, and from that level we can see that the price again rejecting to the upside. Now today's candle we have seen has broken this low, grab liquidity, and then had a movement to the upside. Now what we can expect on GBP and ZD, what I think that the price may continue to rise to the upside. As we see, there is a daily drop to this important level of support. We can expect now a pullback to the upside or even continuation to its long-term uptrend. Now if we take our Fibonacci from high to the low, we can expect in the first move to come up to 38.2% Fibonacci, and probably to 61.8%, which is also aligning with this previous support down resistance here. Now if we look at 4 hour to see how the price action is evolving, now we saw that there was a doji in that zone. Now from that doji, GBP and ZD has grabbed liquidity multiple times from the support, and then we saw that the market now, after testing this level, forming an inverted head and shoulder, started to turn to the upside. Now this is where we are running a trade, as you can see, as you have seen probably in our live session. And as the market is evolving to the upside, changing its trend, once you see that GBP and ZD has confirmed its change of trend from this local downtrend to a local uptrend, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let me know which your setup on GBP and ZD, how you are trading. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.